Blessing my viewers and my subscribers. I don't know what's a new link there and from New Link Production, and we say attack. And right about now, people have some news. I'm telling you some sad news to talk about right now, people. Because a 20-year-old Jamaican female footballer was killed. Yes, people, 20 years old. And she goes by the name Tatiana Clark. And she was killed, my viewers and my subscribers, in Halfway Tree. She and another female got into a fight over a cell phone. Them say Tatiana Clark, you understand, soon she was going to get a chance scholarship to go to a school in the United States, people. She's 20 years old. She is the captain of the female football team for the Waterhouse, people. And yo, it's sad. Them said the last time she represent the national team, that's the Jamaican football team, was the qualification for the Olympic Games. You know, so Jamaica try to qualify, female footballer them try to qualify for the Olympic Games, people. And yo, it is really sad and heartbroken, to be honest, people. Really sad. She's just 20 years old. I don't know what really happened with the phone and how them end up getting into a fight over a cell phone, but she was stabbed to death. You know what I mean? The whole Jamaica national football team is in mourning right now, both men and women. And she was a former student of the Excelsior High School. And them say she even, at the time there, she was the captain of the football team there. And she even won the title for the girls, people. So she was a great footballer. You know what I mean? She was a big part on the female regular girls team. You know what I mean? So everyone on both sides is mourning this. You know, it's a big loss. And, you know, just tell your people, it is not a good look. You know what I mean? It's not a good look to see our future being just gone like that so easy. That's why I say, you know, sometimes people, it's a troublesome time and problem. That's why, yo, we have laws over deal with things. That's why there are police officers. Sometimes it's better you go report a matter to the police, if you know, instead of being an argument with people. But I don't know the circumstances that lead to the phone. If a thief, the other girl thief the phone, or what happened if a few, who not this, who not that. But they said there's an argument lead to a fight where she was stabbed in Halfway Tree, people. Yo, it's terrible. It's terrible. Every day, you know what I mean? I remember a couple of months ago when the nice artist Keshan was killed, you know what I mean? And it was like a similar situation where we say, if you just walk out of things, just ease out, because you don't know the art of the next person and what the next person can do and how that next person stay. You know what I mean? Sometimes you maybe be the one in the argument with the people, them people have some bag of problem on them head, and once you come some boom and go strike, them turn out every anger, everything them inside they understand. You know what I mean? Yeah, but I just want to send out my deepest condolences to the family and friends and to all of the football fraternity them from Jamaica, Waterhouse, the Excelsior High team, you know what I mean, and the whole football governing body in the world, because she was a member of the FIFA thing, so you don't know, so the whole governing body are going to mourn the loss of this girl, and it's just sad to know no matter how her life was taken, you know what I mean, stabbed to death over a cell phone. Genuine people. Yo, you know, look good. So blessing my viewers and subscribers. I don't know, this is New Link from New Link Production, and we say attack. Rest in peace, Tatiana. May your soul rest up. Big up people. Don't know the thing. Attack New Link.